Have you ever run into these problems while working with video? A file format your editor won't accept. A video so large it fills your entire storage. Footage that's blurry, pixelated, or just not usable. Or maybe you simply want a quick way to download videos for your projects. You're not alone. We all need one powerful, simple, and all-in-one workflow solution. And that's where Any Video Converter comes in. Any Video Converter has just released the latest version, 9.1.5. With brand new trim and merge tools featuring a timeline editing mode, plus MP4H.264, support for video downloads with better compatibility. Now, let's take a complete look at what Any Video Converter can do. First, the most essential tool, format conversion. Any Video Converter supports virtually every video and audio format you can think of. From MP4, MOV, MKV, AVI, to codecs used for professional workflows. Just drag, drop, choose your output, and convert. Fast and lossless. Then the all-new trim and merge tools. You can now edit directly on a clean timeline, trim clips with precision, and merge multiple videos seamlessly. Need to save reference clips, training videos, or social media content? The built-in video downloader lets you download from major platforms with a single click. Save in a high quality and integrate directly into your workflow. Huge videos slowing you down? The video compressor reduces file size while preserving clarity. Perfect for sharing, archiving, or uploading. And when your footage just isn't good enough, use AVC's video enhancement tools. Sharpen blurry clips, upscale resolution, reduce noise, adjust colors. Powered by intelligent processing to make your videos look clean and professional. Great for old recordings or low-light footage. Finally, speech to text. Instantly generate accurate subtitles and transcripts for your videos. Boost accessibility, improve SEO, and complete your edits faster than ever. Whether you're a content creator, educator, marketer, or simply someone who works with video, Any Video Converter is your complete video workflow solution for 2025.